Okay, let us move on to the next one. Secant square 7 minus 4x. We need to evaluate this one. Now, once again, the question is, which value has to be taken as t? Secant square as t, it doesn't make any sense at all. Trigonometric function without that angle doesn't make any sense. So secant square x is not at all there here. So possibility of taking this t doesn't arise at all. The only other term that is left out is 7 minus 4x, because the whole term you can take this as t, right? Are there any other possibilities? Only two possibilities. So if you're not able to judge which value has to be taken as t, try to put both the possibilities and eliminate the one which is not possible. So this is not possible, therefore hence we'll be taking 7 minus 4x to be t. But when you take 7 minus 4x as t, you have to get back the remaining terms. So let us see whether we'll try to get it or not. So therefore put the value of 7 minus 4x to be equals to t. Let us try to differentiate this one. 7 is a constant, its derivative will be 0, minus 4 times of this derivative of x will be dx is equals to what? Is equals to dt, or minus 4 times of dx will be equals to dt, ignoring that 0 value. I want only dx is equals to, it is dt by, cross multiply that 4, it is divided by 4. So dx value will be what? Dt by minus 4. So you have that dx here, so only that value has to be replaced. So if you just plug in there, I will be equals to integral of secant square cannot be done, cannot be changed. So 7 minus 4x is t. So secant square t. Dx value is what? Dx value is dt by minus 4. But the denominator minus 4 is just a constant. It is better you take down that outside. It comes to be 1 by minus of 4. It is integral of, you'll be getting secant square of t into dt. However, this minus 1 by 4 will remain as it is. Now the question is, what is integral of secant square of x into dx? That is the standard formula. The standard formula for secant square of x will be tan x plus c. Therefore, secant square of t will give us tan t plus the constant c. If you want, you can just write the tan c outside, that c outside. So minus 1 by 4, this becomes tan t plus the constant of integration c. But what's the value of t we have taken? The value of t that we have taken is 7 minus 4x. Hence, we will get minus 1 by 4. It is tan of 7 minus 4x plus the constant c. So that will be the required solution.